Aditi, one word, Ashish.
Very sincere about his business, profession.
Any incidents which you remember with him which
Recently, I have noticed a change in him. Suddenly, he's more inclined towards what do you say, Vipassana and all. Like I have always seen that sincere kind of Ashish before also, but recently I have noticed that change. He's become more interested in all these things, Vipassana and all these things.
one skill which you think that is a very good thing, which everybody should have, a skill in him.
He's very focused about his goals. Once he decides to do something, and he also wants others to get involved and give their best towards it. Like recently, he's like the way he is mentoring his kids also. The way he speaks about his son and he posts his interviews and everything. So it can be seen how sincere he is about upbringing of his kids also.
Any one incident you remember which really you think a different perspective he has for things?
Obviously, I came to know more about him when we started going to Narayanpur. We went to Narayanpur quite frequently. I didn't know he was that much interested in religious things and God. And I say I don't think he's a God-fearing types. He's very clear about things he wants to do, and he basically enjoys doing everything fearlessly and carelessly. And once he decides, and he doesn't like to hide also, he's very open about his life.
Ashish Dalia as a father, Ashish Dalia as an entrepreneur, Ashish Dalia as a friend, and Ashish Dalia as a social planner. You might have seen, I don't know how many roles you have seen, but what do you think he is best at?
Just one word for all, whatever you have mentioned. He is, Mr. Perfectionist. Best father, best entrepreneur, best friend also. Very nice person. Very, very genuine he is. Genuinely good at heart.
Any actor which you think he resembles?
It should be other way around.
The other way around.
I don't think so there is anybody like Ashish. So Ashish अगर खुद try करता था.
Sujata. Okay. I would say anything which you say ये skill इसके अंदर है तो और किसी के अंदर नहीं हो सकती, जो आपको लगता है कि ये skill सच में it is very different from others.
He is very easy at connecting with